and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Booyah!
Booyah! Booyah!
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
We're the
therapist.
most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to talk about the best shoulder stretches ever. Booyah strong.
There you go, Bob. Say no more.
I won't. By the way, if you're new to our channel, is that what you want me to do? If you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we're going to make you a better you.
There you go, Bob.
Also, you join us on our social media channels because right now, once again, we are giving away a SleepOvation Mattress.
700 tiny mattresses in one, right? There you go.
So if you go on Facebook, we'll have it pinned to the top of the page if you want to see the contest. We're a little squirrely after you came back from vacation.
Yeah, that happens.
We got Instagram, we got Twitter. What do we got? We got our website.
We got a whole bunch of stuff, Bob.
All right, Brad, you take it away. This is your baby.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Okay, so, you do not have to have a BOOYAH stick, but you do need to have a stick that's 4 or 5 feet long, something that's substantial, won't break, doesn't have slivers in it, So anyways, so I'm going to give you a couple minutes to run into the kitchen or the garage and get something if you don't have one of these. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, for the shoulder, we're going to start out with, get your arms about like this. And you can do this, you're going to have palms down like this and simply go above your head. And I'm going to show the profile and then bring it down behind your head.
Now, to go behind,
like
you may have to go wider.
Right.
I mean, because if you're not used to, I actually go real wide like this, and I take it all the way back like that even.
And he's got quite a wingspan.
Yeah.
He's got that 6.5 foot thing going on.
So I go like that even.
Now, one thing that is important, do not let your head go forward. If you're so tight, you have to bring your head forward. That's hard on the neck.
Yeah, you want to be in good posture the entire time.
Right. Just don't go behind your head if your shoulders are that tight. They will loosen up after you do this program, for a few weeks.
You might only be able to do this to start off with, and so be it. But then eventually you want to work to the point where you can get back like that.
None of these should create any pain. They should feel like a nice, healthy stretch, by the way. If they do create pain, you'll skip that one.
So do that 5 times.
All right. Now, the next one is like this.
Gotcha.
Okay, and you're going to have to put it behind your buttocks there, and palms can be out or palms can be this way, whichever way feels more
Palms
comfortable.
forward or backward.
There you go. Good posture and straight behind. We're not doing this. Okay, I mean, I'm doing it now, but we don't want to do that. We want to go back like this. And you can play with the distance on how far your hands, if they're closer or wider. Do what's comfortable. Get those shoulders. This is all of these are great for the posture as well as the shoulder. Good maintenance exercises. If you have shoulder problems, then these may or may not work. It depends.
Well, if they're pain-free, you can do them.
There you go. Right.
But if they're not pain-free, or if there's a slight amount of pain, you want to make sure that it actually feels better after you're doing it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right. Just a little qualification there. We want to make sure we are qualified for the stretches. Now, this one you do need to have a chair, and it's best to have a relatively firm chair that you're sitting on. This one we call the Statue of Liberty stretch. I think I coined that.
You
At
did.
this point,
You had a 13-year-old basketball student?
Right. Yeah. And overhead. Shooting like overhead,
sure.
painful on his shoulders, and we got him going, and this is what we use for one of his stretches to get that shoulder in shape. So here you put it vertical, right next to your right hip, if it happens to be the right shoulder, and then you reach up as high as you can, grab a hold of it, and simply lean forward and off to the right slightly.
Side.
There you go, yeah. Is that your good side, Bob?
There's no good side.
There's no good side on Bob's face. There you go, and stretch. And it is amazing how much control and force that you can get on that shoulder, and you should be relaxed. Again, it should not be painful. It should feel like a good stretch.
It's the one thing I do like about the BOOYAH stick. It's really easy to grasp.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got like a sticky nature to it almost.
It does, but not too sticky.
Not too sticky.
And you're probably going to want to do this on both shoulders just so you equal out. Otherwise, one arm gets longer than the other. That was a joke. Okay, so we're going to do the Statue of Liberty. All these you can do, 3 to 5 times on each arm if you're doing it that way, or 3 to 5 times the other way if it's both at the same time. What's the other one, Bob?
Well, you can do single shoulder extension. You can go, there's a couple ways you can do that.
Yep.
You can do it almost like you're rowing a boat.
Right.
Or a canoe. Is that what, and you're going to bring it back like this.
So this is the arm that's getting because some people don't know what extension is.
Sure. And I got the palm down. And again, you want to be in good posture while you're doing this and bring it back. Brad, you can show a different way to do it, right?
Well, just show him palm up, and just in
Oh.
case. See, so he's talking about this hand. That would be considered palm up, and then or palm down, which way the palm is facing. And the same with this one. You can just put the stick back behind you here. I'm going to have good posture, and I'm going to raise my hand up like this. Now my thumb is pointed down towards the floor. That works best for me, and I simply squat, and that stretches that shoulder out in this direction. I could do it palm up. It doesn't feel very good for me. I would not do this.
Yeah, there's one direction that generally feels a lot better.
Right, this is much better. And you can squat, 5, maybe 10 times. Gives a nice stretch in the shoulder and the bicep.
Next one, chicken wing.
Chicken wing.
All
This is
right.
Bob's patented exercise.
That's right. So you're going to go behind your back like this. I'm going to stretch. This one is the shoulder I'm actually stretching. And I'm going to grab on, and I'm going off to the side of the head here. Otherwise, I'd hit my head.
Right.
So I'm going off to the side of the head. I pull it up, and then I pull it forward. That's the key.
Right.
You pull it up, and then you bend it forward like this.
Now, this, if you got tight shoulders, or, this should feel like a good stretch. It shouldn't irritate if it does or start any sharp pain at all. Stop it. Your shoulder's not ready for it. Let it improve.
Well, I'll tell you, I've had a couple miraculous results from this.
Right.
We had one swimmer that contacted us. He swims D1.
Yep.
And he was going for the Big Ten championships.
So that's college level.
Yeah, and he actually said that he was not able to swim. He started doing this, and he actually was going to be able to swim in the championships because of this.
Wow, he may go to the Olympics.
Yep, and he better remember us.
Yeah.
So
Now, one thing about this one is you might find it's hard to get to the stick when you first do this. So you just get
Find
it
it
there.
down, yeah.
Yeah. And if you got an itch on your back, you go like this. It kind of itches it too. Just a little benefit. Okay.
all right, and we have one more, Brad.
Yes. This is a nice one. I'm going to stagger so we don't hit each other. But hands, whatever distance, you'll find with some practice once you do this, overhead like this, and then simply go to one side. And if you pull with this hand, the one lower, you'll get a nice latissimus dorsi stretch as well as in some of the low back muscles. And like with me, I don't do too much bending in my low back because my back does not tolerate that. So I'm trying to keep more straight, but you can lean and get more of a stretch if that works for your body. You're just going to do it at this, not too fast, nice, relaxed. I did mention all these, think about relaxed breathing in your nose, out your mouth. The whole stretch routine will become much more beneficial.
And really, ideally, at the end, I mean, your shoulders should feel great.
Oh,
I mean, mine
Yeah.
feel nice
Oh,
and loosened up now.
right,
It feels
yeah.
like it's ready to go. So.
yeah. I mean, if you were going to, Bob, just relax with that stick. Anyways, I think they've had enough of us.
All right, thanks, Booyah.
Oh, yeah.